Introduction. It doesn't matter if you run a well-established business or you are managing a startup. It doesn't matter how much of a budget you're working with. Like it or not, and believe it or not, the main way you can make people become aware of your company's brand and eventually consume the products or services your company offers is through advertising. Free advertising doesn't exist. Let's put it this way. You can't be in two places at once. If you're spending all this time and effort trying to brand and promote your business the free way, what if you're doing something else that produces 10 times the result? You cannot ignore Facebook ads. What's so awesome about Facebook ads, besides its relative low cost, is the technology behind it. Again, you may be operating with a fairly small budget. That's okay. Because with Facebook ads, you can leverage the highly sophisticated social snooping and personal profiling technology Mark Zuckerberg brought to the table. Did you know that when you log into Facebook, you are legally giving them the right to figure you out? I know, it sounds creepy, but Facebook has so much technology it can figuratively get in your head. It is no surprise that a lot of people consume lots of random pieces of content on Facebook, only to find themselves, sooner or later, being shown ads that seem so personal. It's as if they're thinking about certain things, and an ad would show up that matches those concerns, fears, or needs. There's nothing magical about this. This is a testament to just how robust Facebook's technology is. This training gives you a step-by-step walkthrough of the different ad opportunities currently available on the Facebook ad platform.